Welcome back, guys, to my YouTube channel. Um, Happy weekend, and hope you guys have been having a good trading week so far. So far on our Telegram channel, we've been doing great. We've been making profits since we resumed back to trading, and analysis has been going well. So far, I've been sticking to the plan of trading less, trade smart, high profitable setup only. So, this coming week, guys, I talked about hosting a free 1 week class for you guys, especially all my students. You understand? So put them on track for the year, so that they can have a profitable year. And I know some of you are already doing fine, obviously, but some of you still just need some brush up and still need help in some areas. You understand? Still need help in some areas, which I noticed. So that's the reason for this 1 week class. And trading is not, yes, it's the easiest way to make money, but it's still not easy. The process is not easy. You understand? If there's one thing I wish could have happened while I was still a beginner in trading, is I wish I had someone that would have hold my hand, you understand, would have just mentor me personally, like the way I'm doing for some of you, and with most of you too, you understand. Those of you that are serious, I still follow up on you guys, and I still reply. You understand? I wish I had that person that would have held my hand personally to show me all these things, to talk to me. You understand? Some mistakes which I have made would have been avoided, and I promise myself to not put you guys through that same process. You understand? So that you guys can learn from my experience and avoid some kind of mistakes. You understand? So that's another reason for this 1 week class. So the class schedule will go like this. We're having it from Tuesday, Thursday, and Saturday. Tuesday, Thursday, and Saturday. Time. The class time for Tuesday and Thursday will be 2 p.m. 2 p.m. for Tuesday and Thursday. The class time will be 2 p.m. So we'll be having the class before New Year session. So we'll be having the class during New Year session. Also, we'll see if we can also, see trades. You understand? Trade together and, catch some good trades together live while we are teaching. You understand? Then for Saturday time is what I'm not 100% sure of. But Saturday time should be somewhere around, I feel like it should be somewhere around 5, 6, or 4. Because on Saturdays, most people like to play ball in the morning and other stuff, have some morning activities. And around that too, they'll be eating, tired, or resting. So Saturday might likely be in the evening, like 4, like probably around 5, 6, understand? But on Thursday, I should finalize on the time for Saturday. So that is just the schedule for the 1 week class, Tuesday, Thursday, and Saturday. Please don't miss it. Time is 2 p.m. So that is it for now. Then let's review some of the trades we took last week, and what happened. We'll review some of the trades we took last week. Last week, Eurjpy. Okay, I think we only took one trade. I think I only took Eurjpy. Then last Eurjpy. Then I don't know if it's the same last week we took NZD card. So we took Eurjpy, took NZD card, and also gave you guys gold. So all this setup played out according to how I analyze, which you guys know fee must always be part of it, and the market must be trending. So you guys know my framework. I told you guys that 4 hours and 30 minutes is my framework. 4 hours and 30 minutes, guys. 4 hours and 30 minutes. So let's go straight to the charts. Let's look for high probability setup. Let's go to Gbpusd. Let's go to the 4 hours. So before I get to the 4 hours, I need to first of all go to the daily to see the last day. So as you can see, guys, Gbpusd has been quite bullish on the daily. Has been quite bullish on the daily. So one thing again, I bought. Sorry, Gbpusd is bearish on the daily. Sorry, guys, Gbpusd is bearish. It has been on sales. You understand? If you can see, it has been giving you lower lows and lower highs. So, but one thing I realize is this: I have to also, put into perspective of the daily zone. You understand? Put into perspective of the daily zone. So if you look at this currently, you see that price is approaching a daily fib level where we might get a possible reaction. You understand? So price is approaching a daily fib level which you might get a possible sell reaction from. And also, I'm going to mark out this high, this resistance here. So I'll mark out that place there. So those are just the 2 zones I'll just mark out. Then let's go to the 4 hours. So let's go to our 4 hour structure. So you know why I did that? I did this fib level so that, because price always reacts to the higher time frame zone. You understand? That's why I plotted my fib on the daily, so that you guys can, we can also have, put it at the back of our mind that, okay, this is a higher time frame zone. So when price approach there, when price approach the higher time frame zone, and we see a reaction, we know that, okay, this is why price is reacting, and we can also go with that reaction. You understand? We just need to wait for all of it to align. You understand? So back to what I was saying. So now we have the daily fib level here. So we'll just wait to see how price reacts to this fib level. So this is what I'll be expecting here. If price gets into this box and I want to see a sell continuation, I'll first of all see if price can, get here, then start forming lower low. You understand? Start forming lower low. So once I see something like this, once I see price break a low, like this, once I see price break a low, I'll just wait for a retest, then jump in to ride the sell down to this current low. You understand? So that's, once price break a low, that will be my confirmation that price wants to become bearish. You understand? So that will be my confirmation now that, okay, this lower time frame is not aligning with the higher time frame. So since we have a zone here, you just have to watch for that reaction. See if price can go to your 30 minutes. See if price can give you a reaction. If price can start breaking your lower lows. You understand? If price can start breaking your what? Your lower lows. You get me? So that's what you'll be waiting to look out for. You understand? That's just all you'll be waiting. So this zone is kind of like valid. So let's just see how price reacts to that zone. You understand? So let's see how price reacts to that zone. We'll be looking for sales on that zone. So I'll call out the trade once it's ready. You understand? So call out the trade once I get the entry confirmation. These are all the things I'll be teaching you guys during this new week. You understand? So you need that entry confirmation, because you can see this is a daily zone. So obviously your stop loss will be like 100 pips, which you can't afford to have. You can't afford that kind of stop loss now. So we need that extra confirmation to get that sniper entry, so we can have a tighter stop loss. You understand? So that is it for GP. Apart from that, Gbpusd is bullish. You understand? If we don't get that confirmation, we'll continue to ride. We'll then start looking for a bullish entry. You understand? Because we have to keep in mind that, okay, this 30 minutes is also, the lower time frame is also on an uptrend. You understand? The lower time frame is on an uptrend. So we have to keep in mind of this uptrend. So if we don't get a confirmation that price has a shift structure on the 30 minutes time frame, you understand? If we don't get that confirmation that price has shift structure from an uptrend to a downtrend, we are not going to jump into the sales. But once we get that confirmation that price has shifts to a downtrend, we'll jump into the sales, you understand? But otherwise, we have to continue riding this uptrend, you understand? So that is it for GBPUSD. Another trade I'm looking at is analysis we'll look at is gold, the Eurjpy. That'll be all for today. So gold, as usual, gold has approached the all-time high. Gold is approaching the all-time, very close to it, the all-time high, and gold has massively been bullish. It's just that for gold, anytime I plot fee, price doesn't get to our 618. Price hardly gets to our 618. It just stops at 0.5. You can see it happened here. It didn't get to 618. If I draw it here again, you see it didn't get to 618. It's only stopping at 0.5. So that's why I've not been able to call any setup. Only once I got a setup on gold, which I shared with you guys, which was this setup. I shared it with you guys. You see, price got to our entry level. Price got to the zone, and I shared it with you guys. And you see, price has been buying. Price has been buying since then. You can see, price has been buying since then. So it's just one of those things. You understand, guys? It's just one of those things. So we've not been able to get a re-entry. So we just have to see if price will give us a new trend this week, or if we'll continue riding this. Continue looking for an entry for this uptrend. You understand, guys? So that is it for gold. There's no much to look at. I just have to wait to see if price can shift to a bearish structure. You understand? If price can shift to a bearish structure, or if we'll just continue riding this uptrend. You understand? So currently, there's no there's no zone I can really give you. You understand? Because price on an market's on an uptrend, and I don't want to draw my fee from here to here yet. I don't want to draw my fee from here to here yet. So I'll update you guys on gold during the week. But just know that gold is on an uptrend, so you should be looking for mostly buys. You understand? Not sales. Look for mostly buys. Then if there's any other trade on gold, we'll be trading together this week live. I will also be teaching and learning together, so we'll definitely get an update during the class. You understand? So another thing we'll be looking at is Eurjpy before I go to fundamentals, and that'll be all for today. So Eurjpy, bullish. Yeah, bullish. We've ate from this trade. So let's see if we can eat again. The thing is, I didn't even catch this. I was looking at buys. I didn't know why I didn't even call it for you guys. I was looking at a buy on this. Okay, it didn't get to 618. I realized that, okay, because I was looking at a buy continuation. So I guess that's why I didn't call it. It didn't tap to get to this 618 zone. It didn't tap inside. So that's why I didn't call it. But Eurjpy has been bullish. Yeah, bullish for a fact. We already have a major resistance level here. I think if I switch to the daily, I should see that there's a major resistance around that level. Yeah, I said it. There's a major resistance around this level if I switch to the daily. So back to the 4 hours. You have to be careful. Yeah, you have to be careful around this resistance area once price gets there, because price will definitely react from this resistance area. So otherwise, we are still on an uptrend, so we'll be looking for buy. So now impulse move, we just need to see that correction, wait for price to get to 618, then boom, because the price will likely, if their uptrend is to continue, price will likely break this structure. So all we just need to do is wait for that retracement, then we'll see the continuation. You understand? See the continuation. Then apart from that, Eurjpy buys, we'll be looking for more buys. Let's go to 30 minutes. Let's see what's happening on 30 minutes. 30 minutes is giving that retracement vibes. 30 minutes is giving that retracement vibes. So let's see if it can start retracing fully. If it will retrace fully, if it will retrace fully, we will have an entry level somewhere around this level. We'll have an entry level around here. So let's see if it will retrace fully. Then we'll also, I'll keep an eye on Eurjpy, looking for buys too. Buys on Eurjpy. So my guys, that's all for now on currency pairs. Let's go to fundamental. Let's see if we have some news this week. So this week, Monday. Okay, Monday we have news by 4 p.m. on USD. Then Tuesday we have news on AUD by 1:30, and the employment rate by 9 a.m. on Tuesday for Euro. Then we have USD news by 2:30 for Euro on Tuesday. USD news by 2:30 on Tuesday. Then on Wednesday we have news for AUD. Lots of news for AUD on Wednesday. Then we also have for Euro 2 GDP growth rates by 9 a.m. on Wednesday. Then we also have we have Canada interest rate decision. So those of you that are trading card, be careful. Then we also have news by 2:30 on USD on Wednesday. And on Wednesday we have interest rate decision. We have interest rate decision this Wednesday. We have the Fed news this Wednesday. So you guys be careful. Wednesday is a crazy day, very volatile day. So be careful, guys. On Thursday we have Euro news by 7:30. Then we have Euro news again by 10 a.m. Then we also have Euro news by 11. Then we also have Euro news interest rates for Euro by 2:15. Then we also have job claim and GDP growth rate by 2:30 on Thursday. Then Friday we have news on Gbpusd on Friday. Okay, we have on Euro on Friday, and for CHF on Friday, and also for Euro, lots of Euro news on Friday. Then we also have for USD by 2:30 too. So we have crazy. This week is going to be crazy. This week is a crazy week, guys. Crazy week. You understand? So lots of volatility will be in the market. So we have to be super. I'm happy that this is the same week. This is the same week we are having our classes. You understand? So we will be super active and ready on the charts and ready to make money, because joy is coming and joy is coming soon. So you guys stay tuned on the Telegram channel for more updates, and also to get entries for this setups I'm giving you. You understand? To get signal entries for this setup I'm giving you. So stay tuned on the Telegram channel, and any other thing you guys want, you can also relate to me on Telegram, relate to me on Telegram and on my Instagram. The link is in my bio. I also drop the link here. You understand? So I'll see you guys during the week. You guys have a positive week and more peeps, more profit this week. Cheers. Stay blessed.